Welcome back to the life of Mr. E. Today, we're about to go to the fireworks warehouse to get some fireworks. I set a budget for $30, and hopefully we don't go over the budget because we get distracted by a lot of other big fireworks. I'll see you guys there. Today we're at this big fireworks warehouse. It looks pretty big. Let's go see what they have. Stocked up here. We got a lot of fireworks. Alright guys, this is what we came back with. Thankfully, it didn't go over our budget. So, right here we have some mini mortars, and we have these little speed balls. Those are pretty cool. I've had them before. And I don't know the name of these, but they look pretty cool. We also have a jumbo smoke bomb. We have these 3 color smoke balls packets, and M150 firecrackers, 36 pieces. Super loud. And we got 7 of these tanks down here. 7 of these tanks. It looks like it has the American flag on it. That's pretty cool. And we have 3 packs of sparklers. They look way different than the ones. We have a big pack of these dancing butterfly. It's a 2-pack of 6 of them. And we have this big one right here.